could come through. You're a yard master over here?
Yeah, I'm the yard master here.
Right, I have a coal train for you.
Yep, and I'll just we'll bring you in here on track 1, I think. Come on, that one there. And track 1. Yep. Come on. Get my loco off that train. Yeah, I've got it off there.
Track 1.
So this is Paris Yard video, so
Yep.
just ask John Ken where he wants
Yep.
this.
Well, we're just going to get you in the clear there. I'll tell you when to stop. We'll uncouple you. That'll do, we'll stop there.
That's cool.
Okay, I'll get you to come up here, come back down the main line. So when you get past this turnout here, you throw, they'll sink down. What's not going? This way. That's the points are not working at the moment. Yeah, right. Okay.
Oh, we were supposed to pick up 4 stone hoppers at Kingston.
Yeah, did you pick them up?
We didn't pick them up.
Yeah.
You're my conductor here.
Oh well. We'll now, yeah, you
Could immediately just quickly leave those and just go back?
yeah, go back and get them because because I've got 4 empties to go back there, and he won't have run through and put those empties.
So just go up there and
Come back on the main line, as we were going to, we have to go back and get those 4.
What happens without the boost then?
Leave it for this. We'll leave it there. We won't worry about it. No, that's not. That's that way. Yeah. Oh yeah. Now you can come back together. Go back down the main line. Go other direction. Don't go up there anymore.
Which one's the main one?
That's the main line. Right there. And I'll set this down for you to go around here when you get down the main line. That'll be now, I'm not sure which is which.
Right, if you'll get the 4 stone hoppers ready, Emilio, so we just have to
Yes, that's this
put
one.
the speed on.
Oh, yep, that's got to be changed around here, isn't it?
That's good, that's set for Emilio's.
Yeah, that's it. And this one here. It's just got enough footage there.
That's a good setup there, camping and everything.
Where do you want to be your?
Just, don't put the yard, just come up the main line where we can get the yard this end. Just stop by there, stop where your hand is there. That'll give you a chance to look at it when you're trying.
You want them around here?
Yeah, come, that's right. Where's we go first? I'll let you come in. Nick, I'll get your job first, just stop there. Keep coming, keep coming up here. I've got to change this point here. Coming in.
Stressful.
Okay, then stop when we pass this point here.
Okay.
Stop sort of about here, I reckon. The last carriage is that there. Yeah, that's right, we can go. There. Now you can join them up with what you had back there. And then you
Doesn't matter which order, if these stones are on the front.
no, but that's where they would have, what they should have been.
Okay, sure.
So you have to go on the back of that, but
Yeah, just join it up there. And then I've got your and I've got your. Just stop there for a minute.
alright, so you're just setting up Emilio's
I'm just
caboose.
putting your caboose on this train.
Yep, so then Emilio has to go to the back of this one here.
Yeah.
Take this
He's
back.
got a couple on that end.
So
Yeah.
come back in, come in, a couple of that.
Yeah, just wait till I've got, wait till I'm out of the way here.
So we then take these empties?
Yeah, so there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We take 12 empties back, Ken?
Yeah, and this time, those first 4 are there.
Oh, they go to aggregates, do they?
There.
Yep, okay. 4 for aggregates and 8 for the...
Yep.
Right, now what? So, we'll get you to come back up here again. Get this back. Okay. Uncouple now. Uncouple. There should be uncoupling thing up there. I think it's going to be easier for you to go out the main line again. There's 2 wagons down there.
These are uncoupled?
Yeah, uncoupled. Yeah.
This,
You've got to be on the other end there. You've made the train up.
That was fine. There are no cars for practice.
Yeah, that's okay. Yeah.
So it's got 6 cars. Now it says train A sequence A only, or
Yeah.
camel train sequence B only. What sequence A, what sequence B?
We're in sequence A.
Okay, so we're going to make it a grain train.
Yeah. There's 12 cars there. Just tell these guys what they're going to do.
Yep, so it's
Now, make the grain train up with for grain train. At the front of the train going
just like
west.
So you're good to go there.
With 640 foot.
and then I come back on track
Yeah,
2.
and then we change that point when you come back on.
550 foot to the back.
And
Track, that's
this
mine.
one here, so that is
I
this
need to
one.
be on track 2.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're going to get your trains and
Oh
track.
yeah, hang on. Yep, you're right. So you're going to go on this one here, which is...
Yep, I go straight at track 1, and I need to turn on track 2.
Yep. Hang on, stop, go back. Hey, what's going on?
It is the same one, you just need it.
Oh, there. Still learning the system actually.
Yeah,
Still haven't learned how to
since
use
they've
this.
changed that turnout there, they've changed the line, but they haven't changed the keys on the fascia yet. So it's a bit confusing.
We made up.
Yeah.
Yeah. Does anyone mention anything about a big piece of track around it?
Doesn't matter which ones go to where.
Yes, all the brown ones are for coal, and those orange and green ones are for the aggregates. I might even say that on your train order.
It says here, oh yeah.
Yeah. Stone hoppers.
Line.
Yeah, stone hoppers. Yeah. The stone hoppers are coal hoppers are always brown.
Oh,
If I
said
set the wrong turnout.
Yeah,